This is Pioneer's AVH-2440NEX. This is an in-dash HD radio and CD and DVD receiver with a 7-inch motorized touchscreen. The AVH-2440NEX is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The AVH-2440NEX is also compatible with Android Auto and Google Assistant when connected to a compatible Android phone with a wired connection through USB. The AVH-2440NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and playback MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. First up here is the wire harness, and we can use the wire harness here to connect power, ground, and speakers, and so forth, all the electrical connections from the vehicle to the in-dash receiver. Next up, we have some installation screws. There's a handful of install screws. Next, we have the wireless remote control. There's the wireless remote control included in the box. Next, we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now, the Bluetooth microphone here is used for hands-free calling. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next up is the USB extension. Now, the USB port is on the back of the in-dash receiver, so we include a USB extension in the box so you can bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. Next up, we have the quick start guide and installation manual. And please note that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right to your phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the warranty card here. There's the warranty card. Now let's get the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-2440NEX has a simple layout. The volume control is here, and the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. The CD and DVD player is behind the screen. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 7-inch touchscreen. The back panel of the AVH-2440NEX starts off with 2 black plugs up here. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. And the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit will plug in right here. Here is the USB port that can be used for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB thumb drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. And this is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer out, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port is for adding on the optional AVH-2440 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here is the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. This can also be used as a second camera input. And finally, the AM/FM and HD radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-2440NEX and what's in the box.